Hey guys, welcome back. I feel like it's been a long time since we've had a flipped video, at least a new flip video, but now that we're wrapping up our unit on area and perimeter, we're getting ready to do just a very quick study on 3 new words, hopefully maybe not new: the mean, the median, and the mode. So these are some words that are going to help us kind of figure out kind of patterns with numbers, the middle of numbers, averages of numbers. So it's kind of a fun little short quick unit. So you're going to actually get 3 videos kind of back to back. I'm going to send one home tonight, and then you're going to get another one pretty quick. So make sure that you watch this one as soon as possible, so you're ready for the next one. Again, these videos are going to be really pretty short. Let's define the word median first before we do anything else. When I think of the word median, it always makes me think of a road. So on that road, you typically have traffic going in both directions, and then this little thing in the middle of the road is your median. And so we know that median separates the 2 sides of the roads and the traffic going each way. So if you think about a median with numbers, the median is literally the number that is the middle value. So let me write that down for you. It's the number that is the middle value. So just like the median on the road is in the middle, the median in math is also in the middle. And when I say middle value, you want to think about value back when we were talking about place value. It's the amount it's worth. So let me just give you a list of numbers and kind of show you what I'm talking about. So here's my list of numbers, and the first thing I need to do with my list before I can figure out what number sits in the middle is I have to put them in order from least to greatest, because remember, value is all about how much it's worth, and in order to determine what's in the middle, I need to get those numbers in the right order. So that's what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to start with my smallest number, which is 13. And I've got more than one 13. So I'm going to write that 13 more than once. So I've got it 1, 2, 3, 4 13s. And then my next number is going to be 14. I've got 2 of those. I've got an 18. Oops, I've got 16 first. Sorry. 16, 18. And then 21. See if I can squeeze that in there. Okay, so now that you have your numbers lined up, you literally just look for the middle. So what I like to do is I like to cross off on both sides all the way through. So my first 2 numbers I'm going to get rid of are the 13 and the 21. Then the 13 and the 18, the 13 and the 16, the 13 and the 14. So what number sits perfectly in the middle? Hopefully you said 14. So 14 is going to be your median for this list of numbers. Okay, let's take a quick look at this data as well. We're going to look for the median again. So if we use the same technique that we just used, my numbers are already in order, so I don't need to worry about putting my numbers in order this time. But we are going to, remember, cross off until we find the middle. So I'm going to cross off the 13 and the 8. That's my first set. My second set is 12 and 9. My third, 11 and 10. I've got 11 and 10 again. Now, you're going to notice something. If I cross off the 10 and 11, I don't actually have a middle. That's because right now, my set of numbers, this data has 10 points, and 10 is an even number. And so if I count evenly, I'm going to get 5 and 5. So in this situation, we have to look at the 10 and the 11 at the same time and find the middle of 10 and 11. So what's directly in the middle of 10 and 11? Well, you're probably thinking, well, Mrs. Pickett, there's nothing in between 10 and 11. 10 is right after before 11, but you can actually cut that number in half. So we can say in between 10 and 11 is 10 and 1/2. You can write that as 10.5 or 10 and a half. So in this problem, the median is going to be 10 and a half. Okay, go ahead and try this one on your own. Remember, you need to put your data in order first to find your median. So go ahead and try it, and then in just a moment I'll have the answer on here for you. So go ahead and pause your video and try this problem. Okay, so hopefully you found that the median was 9. Thanks for watching, guys, and your joke today is, why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7 ate 9. See you soon.